Good morning. We're back at my home again. We're going to do an ankle exercise today. And ankle is one of the more common exercise problems we see from people having a chronic ankle strain. You turn your ankle when you're a kid and your ankle just never fully recovers and haunts you for many years afterwards. With our runners, we see a lot of plantar fasciitis. This exercise program is also good for people with plantar fascia pain. It's an interesting exercise program in that we're doing two different exercises today. We're doing a strength exercise and a stretching exercise. In other exercise programs we've almost always talked about either just strength or mobilization or stretching. Today with the ankle we're going to be doing two exercises because it's important for this program to do both exercises simultaneously. Doing the ankle exercise, if you notice I've stood up from my chair. I now have it in front of me. I'm standing behind it. You don't need to use a chair. If you have a kitchen counter, that's a great item to hang on to while you're doing this exercise if you're doing it flat on the floor. You could be doing it on a stair step, which we're going to try and videotape in a moment here, because a stair step calf raise is going to be much more effective than a floor calf raise. Now, a floor calf raise isn't just a matter of lifting your ankles up and going back down and seeing how many you get in. You've heard me talk before, you know I like repetitions, but it's not a matter of just getting a whole bunch of ankle pumps in there. What you want to do is overarch your ankles and then tilt your feet back up. Overarch your ankles, pull your toes up. Making your feet and ankles, making all the muscles of your leg work throughout their full range of motion. Like every other exercise, we're trying for repetitions, working maybe sets of 25, maybe doing 2 sets back to back with a stretch in between, and then maybe doing the exercise twice a day. So simple, you can do this calf raise exercise any place you can stand and hold on to something. What's important with this exercise is when you get done with your calf raises, you immediately need to do a calf stretch, because your calf raises are going to tighten up your calf muscle. This is especially true with our runners. They're going to get a real tight, strong calf muscle, but it's going to bother them when they run because they haven't then also done their calf stretch. So after you've done your 25 calf raises or so, then you're going to stretch your calf muscle out for 25 seconds or so. If you notice, my knees straight, my heels down on the floor, my hips fairly straight. I'm just rocking my hips forward to get a stretch up the back of my calf. And you get your 25-30 seconds on one side, switch legs, 25-30 seconds on the other side. The force isn't real strong with your calf muscle because your tendon and your calf muscle is such a strong muscle. You use more force than you might when you're stretching your shoulder, when you're stretching your neck, or maybe even when you're stretching your back. Your calf muscles can handle it. So if that's one set of exercises, I might do 2 sets back to back, where I then repeat my calf raises and then go right back into my calf stretches. Today we're giving a shout out to West Point. It's a great institution. If you ever get a chance to go to Mid-State New York, make sure you go see West Point near Highland Falls. And that is our ankle exercise program.